example, the bigger number is on top. The upper addend is bigger and then the smaller addend is 4. Now, look for the bigger number and read. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have 8 plus 5. Read first the bigger number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ay, pardon yung 13. Right, let's try to reverse. This time, 6 is the lower addend. 6 plus 4. Read first the bigger number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have 1 plus 8. Read first the bigger number. 8, 9. Then, if 5 is the bigger number, 5 plus 4. The bigger number is 5. Read first the bigger number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Tapos na tayo dito. And then,